Students, in class we discussed regarding the history of advertisement. In this class we shall discuss regarding the purpose and functions of advertising. The objectives of this chapter is to enable the students to acquire skills in advertising and media management. The session output will be the students will be able to explain the purpose and functions of advertising. So first of all, we shall discuss the purpose of advertising. The purpose of advertising is to inform the consumers about their products and convince customers that a company's services or products are the best. Enhance the image of the company, point out and create a need for products or services, demonstrate new uses for established products, announce new products and programs. I repeat once again, the purpose of advertising is to inform the consumers about their products. The company informs the consumers and customers regarding the products of its products, its services. Different products will be there, different services will be there. How to inform the consumers? Only through advertising, the company or a concern is in a position to inform about the products and convince the customers the products are the best. Within few seconds, 20 or 30 seconds, they will give you a story about the products, about the companies, and also it enhances the image of the company. It increases the image of the company, increases the brand of the company, point out and create a need for products or services, and also it creation of need for products or services. I'll give an example. If you go in summer, you will be feeling thirsty. You need water to fulfill your thirst. The company advises the products of soft drinks, so you go for the soft drink. So they create a need for products. Now, instead of water, you use the soft drinks to fulfill your thirst. With water also your thirst will be in a position to fulfill, but they create a brand image, a brand thing in your mind that you go for some soft drinks or something special, and also demonstrate new uses for established products, announce new products and programs. If new products are introduced, how to inform the customers, how to inform the consumers? Only through advertisement the new products are informed. Okay, we shall go to the next heading of purpose of advertisement. Why the advertisement is required? First one, advertisement creates awareness. As I said earlier, through water you can fulfill your thirst, or you can go for soft drinks. They create such an awareness in your mind that you must go for soft drinks or water of that company to fulfill your thirst. That is, advertisement create awareness of the products. Next one is reminding buyers to use the product. They remind the buyers to use the company products. The company says the buyers to use those products, and also advertisement to change belief about brand. belief about brand. You will be using some other brand, you will be using some your own brand. After seeing the advertisement, you must be in a position to change the brand to the company's product, which advertisement you see. That technique is also there in case of advertisement. Most people change the brands. You will be eating some different biscuits, different breads. After seeing advertisement, you go for that particular brand, or you will be using different soaps and toothpaste. But after seeing the company's advertisement, you go for that brand. Next, general purpose of advertisement is to market a product. The main purpose of advertisement or general purpose of advertisement is to sell a product or market a product. Next, advertisement as a tool to promote direct sales. Advertisement is also a tool to promote direct sales. Salesman will come directly to you or to your home and sell its products. Advertisement also builds company's image. Regularly you are seeing the advertisement of certain companies. You take for example Unilever Limited or Procter and Gamble, Colgate India or Jio Mobiles. That brand image will be created in your mind and heart. That brand image will be created in your mind and heart, and you go for that particular brand or you go for that particular company products. Next is purpose of advertisement is selection of advertising media. Nowadays there are different advertisement medias to select. The different advertisement medias are to select. There are different medias like press media, direct mail media, outdoor media, social media, any other media. Press media means in case of newspapers, magazines, only to that category of consumers who can read. For that it is okay, press media. Or you can take the address, you collect the address, or you collect through the phone numbers, and you directly mail to them, or directly nowadays you can directly talk to them through the mobile numbers. Previously direct letters used to come. Today they will directly talk to you through the outsourcing departments. Next, outdoor medias are there. You go on a highway or a big town and cities like Bangalore and all, next to the road the outdoor media advertisement will be there. A lot of companies will be there of hotels advertisement, gold advertisement, four wheelers advertisement. So lot advertisement will be there. Next, social media, WhatsApp social groups are there, WhatsApp groups are there. Through that also you will be getting information. Some other medias are there, different medias are there. Through that also you will be in a position to collect the things. Next is the functions of advertisement. Until now we have gone through the purpose of advertising. Now we shall go to the functions of advertisement. What are the functions of advertisement? First function is promotion of sales. Why advertisement, why it is required means the main thing, basic thing is to promotion of sales, to increase the sales. When sales increases, automatically profits will increase, the company brand image will increase, everything will increase. So the main goal, main aim of thing is selling of the products, not only with the regular customers but also with the new customers, creating the sales. Next is introduction of new products. As I said earlier, if the company is selling the products to the consumers and the company goes for the other different products, new products, a two-wheeler company is there, if want to introduce new two-wheeler means then also the company will advertisement. You take the example of Royal Enfield. Some 2-3 decades back it was coming product. Now again they have started the product Royal Enfield bullet motorcycles. Again now there is a demand for that motorcycles. So introduction of new products. Next is support to production system. Due to advertisement, the support to production system will be there. Through if the sales are there, automatically production will also be there. If the sales are there, automatically production will also be there, manufacturing will also be there. So the company image will be there, the company viability will be there, the company will be running smoothly. If the company is to run smoothly, means production, manufacturing, demand, sales, everything must be there. So lifeline, oxygen today is advertising. For the companies to increase sales, to increase manufacturing, means the advertisement must be there. The good brand name of the company, good image of the company must be there. Next is increasing standard of living. Through advertisement, standard of living will be increased. How? Previously washing machine was not there. Previously LPG stoves were not there. Previously mixing grinders were not there. Now everything is available. The standard of living has been increased. The people used to cook through the woods, through the charcoals, in smoke and dust they used to cook food. But with the good policies of the government of India and also our state governments, LPG subsidies is there. LPG is given to the people in the remote areas and also hilly regions, so that the standard of living will be increased. If we see the new products, go for the new products, the standard of living will be increased. Next, public image. If the company is not only doing good production and sales, and it must also do corporate social responsibilities, the image of the company will be there. The image of the company will be maintained. There are good messages can be passed through the advertisement by the company to the public, like what are the good effects of using LPG stoves, and also inform the public of the schemes of the government. They can take social responsibilities, corporate social responsibilities. If the company is advertising products continuously and the company products are good, and the quality is good, the price is less, means automatically the image of the company will be there. And it also is support to media. Nowadays, media gives employment to lot of people, to thousands of people. Through advertisement, the company can give employment through support the media. Okay, students, we shall meet in next class. Thank you.